Okay, here's the Roto-Matic robot base test number 2. If you watched the video with test number 1 where I manually was triggering this so it would go from walk into rotating mode, I've now added a Geneva movement on top. These gears are 1-to-1. I just needed to space out so I could get over my lever. Then I went in with the Geneva wheel, which has a cam on the bottom, and the cam's what raises and lowers this lever. So right now I have it set to take 4 steps and then rotate 3 times and then 4 steps, which is a very common scenario. I can change the position of the cam and go 4 and 4, or I can change the cam altogether and get any ratio that I want. So your basic function is going to walk. Here goes the cam, so the body would be rotating, and it goes back into walk mode. And you see now the Geneva advances, and then it raises and lowers that. I'm holding it so it can't perform its functions, but I wanted to be able to see the Geneva. So now I just have to figure out what kind of body I want to put on it and what kind of other functions I might want to put on it. Because I can still take a drive off this center shaft up through the body, so I could run rotating images or pistons or gears or a rotating head or an antenna on top of that. I could do a lot of things with that shaft coming off that end of the motor. But there's test number 2, and it seems very successful.